Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She, and yeah, so as you can see from today's title, I'm going to share with you guys some of the tips that I think can help you look stylish in campus. Yeah, and this is mostly for the campuses whose dressing code is not very strict, like is not strict at all actually. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so for me guys, I think it's very important to put effort into how you look, and I find such people very attractive. Yeah, I don't know for you guys, but for me, so if I'm walking towards someone, I'll first see how they are dressed, and then I'll see how they look on their face and stuff. Yeah, so the number one point, I'm just going to state some of the few things I think it's a must have for a comrade, because honestly they come in handy. Yeah, but then each person has their style, so yeah, but honestly these things that I'm going to state here, I think they like lazima ukue nazo, because if not, I don't know what, like they just come in handy a lot of times. Yeah, so I think bomber jackets is a must have, and denim jackets also, they come in handy, especially, yeah, they just look stylish and nice. And also I think plaid shirts, the checked shirts. Yeah guys, if you know me, I have so many of them, and I think I'll never stop buying them, because honestly they come in handy whether it's cold or hot. Like honestly, you must have these guys. But this is my opinion, like this is from my point of view. If you have any other suggestions other things that you think a student should have, please feel free to comment down below. And yeah, so on to the second point guys. I think your facial appearance is key to looking good guys. Like yeah, so this is from your hair to your face, like just everything. Yeah, everything that's on the face. Yeah, and for the hair guys, please ladies, let me just attack you sometimes. I just think laying your edges is very important. Like yeah, I take time to lay my edges literally every day, like, because okay, but for me, I've done it for so long, so I just do it so quickly. But you can just learn, because honestly, like however bad your hair looks, as long as you've laid your edges, trust me, no one will notice. Yeah, so yeah, that's a key point. And also what you use to tie your hair for the ladies, because I find headscarves really attractive. Like they just look really nice on your hair, and generally the rest of the face, for those who do their makeup, you can try that. But for me, I don't do makeup while going to class, so yeah. And also for the guys, I don't know how to explain for the guys, because it's only for us ladies that it's a lot, but for you guys, like it's easier. So yeah. Higher on to the third point guys. I really think it's important to consider the weather when you dress up. Yeah, so but for now, currently right now in Nairobi, the weather is so inconsistent. Like one time it's raining, the other time is so sunny. So I just try to not overdress or underdress, just to like just stay there at the center, like yeah, and still look good. Yeah, but when it's cold, honestly I can't feel cold, so I have to overdress. And when it's really hot, the other way around. Yeah, and that's why I think flannel shirts, bomber jackets, denim jackets, they're really important, because you can just wear them during any time, like if it's cold or hot. Because if it's cold, you just have to wear a heavy top inside, but if it's really warm, you just have to wear a light top inside. So yeah, on to point number 4 guys. This is to accessorize. Yeah, this is really important again in looking good and stylish, and this is why you can go crazy, because there's so many ways, from your bags, belts, like so many ways, guys. Yeah, so for me, I actually think, as I said, guys, I'm just giving you these tips from my own perspective, but you can add your own perspectives also on the comment. Yeah, so I think tote bags help you look stylish. I remember the first time, I think I gave you guys this story, like when I was robbed in town because I was carrying a backpack and I didn't even hear. But tote bags, I think they're safe and they go stylish, like they just look good. Yeah, especially the black tote bags, ama the white. Okay, just anything, like depending on what colors you love. Yeah, and also hats, like bucket hats. Bucket hats. Yeah, I really find them good looking, although I don't wear them, but yeah. And also now the belt, guys, you have to make sure that the buckle of your belt, like inakaa poa, because I think that's the first thing that you see on a belt, like the buckle, either silver or gold, like yeah. Also under accessories, guys, I think perfume falls under that, and I think it's nice to smell nice. Like yeah, I mean, who doesn't love smelling nice? Like you just receive a hug from someone and they really smell nice, that's a good thing. Yeah, and also it's just not only for the body ama the clothes, guys. Let me just attack you today. Your hair, like you should normalize spraying your hair, especially the braids, because when they stay for so long they smell. Yeah, I know I can't explain the smell, but yeah, just normalize spraying your hair. Also, it's a good thing. Yeah. Guys, now we're just coming to the end of the video with this final tip. I think you can enhance your looks by putting on jewelries, like from earrings to bracelets to necklaces. What else? Rings. There's some people wear rings. Yeah, again, in this sector, I think you can go crazy as much as you want. Yeah, for the earrings, I prefer the loops. I'm just huge earrings, but also for the tiny earrings, they just look attractive. And for the necklaces, either layered or single, like just any of them, and I find them so attractive, especially if you just wear them, like if it's showing on top of your chest, like yeah. And guys, for the watches, like okay, also ladies, but for me, I don't have lots of hand jewelries, but yeah, so watches and bracelets. Yeah, some people also wear anklets. Yeah, and for me, I am lucky because I have a navel piercing, so belly buttons is also a form of jewelry. So I find myself going in on that, especially if I'm wearing the crop tops and stuff. So yeah. So guys, we've now come to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Yeah, so leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the family, and yeah, bye.